Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga for You. Before we begin this meditation, find a place free from distractions where it is safe for you to close your eyes. Find a comfortable position, sitting on the ground, on a cushion, or in a chair, and gently soften or close your eyes. Allow your hands to rest softly on your knees, palms up, and your eyes to gaze towards your third eye chakra, the space just between your eyebrows. Slowly roll your shoulders forward and then backward. Find a strong, neutral spine and lengthen through the crown of your head. Now come to your breath. Breathe in and out through your nose and simply observe your breath. You are here. You made the decision to come to your meditation practice today. But remember that it is just that, a practice. There is no right or wrong way to practice. This is your meditation journey, your meditation practice. If your mind begins to wander, it's okay. Don't worry about clearing the mind. Simply notice your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Watch them floating by like leaves in a stream, and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Notice if your breath is fast or slow, shallow or deep, warm or cold. Is your breath changing as you sit with it and observe its rhythm? How does your breath feel as you inhale and it enters through your nose and fills up your lungs and your belly? Notice how it feels as it flows out of your body with each exhale. Become aware of the slight pauses after each inhale and each exhale. Feel your chest and your stomach rise and fall with each breath. With each breath, Visualize your body filling up with positive energy. And with each exhale, imagine releasing any tension or fatigue. On your next breath, allow a sensation of warmth to come across you, all the way from your toes to the top of your head. And when you're ready, take another deep, mindful breath, and then softly open your eyes. Sit here for a few moments, acknowledging this time you've taken for yourself. If you haven't already, set an intention or schedule a time each day to meditate. Start off slowly but intentionally, only meditating for a few minutes at a time, and gradually increasing as you feel ready. Thank you so much for sharing your meditation practice with me today. Thank you for taking this time for you, and I will see you again soon.